Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we are going to discuss that microorganisms are our friend. Yes student, microorganisms are our friend because there are many products that we use in our daily life are prepared with the help of microorganisms. In the kitchen, many times you observe that your mother settle the curd. So that settling of the curd or preparing of butter or buttermilk is possible only with the help of microorganism student. So the first importance of the microorganism, they are used to prepare curd, butter or buttermilk, and they are also used in the dairy industries. Means the microorganism are used in the dairy industries to prepare the curd, butter or buttermilk. And in this, the microorganism that is responsible student, it is bacteria. There is a special bacteria is responsible for settling the curd. And what is the name of that bacteria student? You will learn that it is lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is responsible for preparing the curd, butter or buttermilk. It is the microorganism student that is generally found with meat or the milk products. Means it increase its number when it comes in contact with milk or meat student. That's why in the ancient time the curd is settled with the help of the piece of the meat. But in nowadays we are preparing by introducing the some amount of the curd into the milk, and after some time at a particular temperature we get the curd. Means milk is converted into curd. And in this, what happens student? Lactobacillus increase its number with the help of reproduction, and with this it also converts the lactose of the milk into lactic acid, and we get the curd. Lactose is converted into lactic acid student with the help of respiration, because lactobacillus does the respiration in which it converts or it uses the lactose to get the energy and it turns into lactic acid. So it is the first use of the microorganism. Now we come on the second use, preparing bakery products. Most of the bakery products student, like the bread, pastries, pizza, bhaturas, all these bakery products are prepared with the help of microorganism student. And special microorganism that is used in this, it is a fungi. And what is the name of that fungi? It is yeast student, yeast. And when the yeast is introduced with the dough of the flour, then it causes the respiration, and in this the carbon dioxide is released, from which the bakery products become spongy student, and we get the bakery products like the bread. Like this, microorganisms are also used in the industry student to prepare the alcohol, wine and acetic acid. In this also the bacteria and fungi are used student. And when the bacteria or fungi are introduced with the fruit juice student, then they do the fermentation, and with the help of the fermentation student, these industrial products like alcohol, wine, acetic acid or the vinegar are produced. What is acetic acid or the vinegar student? Generally in you like the Chinese food items. Generally in all the Chinese food items, what is introduced? It is acetic acid or the vinegar is introduced. And we also use in our salads वगैरह items. Next is preparing medicines and vaccines. Microorganisms also help us to maintain our health, student. When we fall sick, at that time doctor prescribed us some vaccines or antibiotics. Those antibiotics are prepared with the help of microorganism, student. And which type of microorganism they are prepared? They are prepared with the help of fungi or bacteria. And these antibiotics, medicines, protect our body from the particular pathogen. It fight against those pathogens and make antibodies in our body and boost our immunity system, student, due to which our body fight against that particular disease and we are protected from the disease. Like this, vaccines. So student, vaccines are also prepared with the help of microorganisms, student, and they are prepared from all the type of microorganism. Even they are prepared with the help of virus, student. In nowadays the corona disease is spreading and government providing us a particular vaccine, that is Covishield or Covaxin, and that Covaxin boost up our immunity, and with the help of that our body can fight against the corona. Like this, it also protects us from the different diseases like the tuberculosis, hepatitis, polio, and there are the different diseases from which the vaccines protect us. This vaccine concept was given by a great scientist, Edward Jenner, student, in 1798. Like this, the antibiotic concept was given by Alexander Fleming, who discovered the penicillin medicine, student, with the help of one particular fungi that is known as penicillium. With the help of that penicillin was discovered, and penicillin is a antibiotic. Like this, there are many antibiotics: streptomycin, azithromycin, erythromycin. There are the different antibiotics, and all those antibiotics protect us from the disease by providing the antibodies in our body. Now we come on the next, increasing soil fertility. Yes, student, microorganism plays very important role to increase the fertility of the soil from which we get the good crops in our field. Like microorganisms are used to prepare the manure, student, and manure increase the fertility. Microorganisms act as decomposers, student, from which the biodegradable waste are decomposed, like the plants or the animal waste are decomposed, and those waste are turned into manure, and with the help of the manure soil fertility is increased, student, and mainly all the nutrients are provided to the soil with the help of manure or with the help of microorganisms. Now the next importance of the microorganism is, student, it is the cleaning the environment. Yes, student, God provides us microorganism as cleaner or the squeezer of the environment. Means microorganisms act as cleaner of the environment. Many times you observe, student, biodegradable waste like animal waste or the plant waste. After 14 or 15 days, when you observe that all those biodegradable waste are vanished from that particular place. Why are they vanished? Why are they cleaned? They are cleaned or vanished with the help of microorganisms. And the microorganisms that decompose them are the bacteria and fungi, and they decompose them with the help of their particular mode of nutrition, and that mode of nutrition is known as saprophytic mode of nutrition, student, from which they decompose the dead or decaying material, and with the help of this they also provide humus to the soil, student. So we can say that the microorganisms are the cleaner or the scavenger of the environment, from which our environment is clean. So it is about the friendly microorganisms, means how does the microorganism help us in our survival. In the next segment we will study about the microorganisms for nature, student, means microorganisms act as enemy to us. So thank you very much and have a pleasant day.